an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class first, subject EVS, topic festivals. Good evening, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to take a new topic, festivals. Festivals are special days that we celebrate with our family and friends. We have a lot of fun on these days. Festivals bring joy, happiness, and colors to our life. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals here. Festivals in our country, India, can be classified into national festivals and religious festivals. Today we are going to study about various religious festivals that are celebrated in our country, India. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals here. Festivals can be categorized into religious festivals and national festivals. India is a land where many people having different religions and customs live together. The festivals celebrated by people of different religions are called religious festivals. So let us see some of the religious festivals that are celebrated in our country. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, people decorate their houses with candles and diyas. They wear new clothes and exchange sweets. Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after living in a forest for 14 years on this day. Eid. On Eid, people go to the mosque and pray. They hug and wish each other Eid Mubarak. People give gifts and sweets to one another. They also give money to the poor. People prepare a special sweet called Sivai on this day. Guru Parv. People celebrate Guru Nanak's birthday as Guru Parv. On Guru Parv, Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. Verses from the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, are recited. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meal served in a Gurudwara. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorate Christmas trees with gifts, stars, lights, and bells. Children wait for Santa Claus to get them gifts on this day. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on Holi evening. The next day, people splash colored water on each other and also apply gulal. Sweets like gujiyas are made at home and enjoyed by all. So children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.